Time to go boarding. Okay team, we are in and it's time to go boarding or skiing. I'm going to be bringing you a series of flows to get you mountain ready, focusing on awakening the glutes, firing up the legs, engaging the core, and also opening up those all-important hip flexors. Okay, coming down onto your mat. This can be done anywhere, in a hotel room, at home, or yeah, literally right before you go on the mountain. So coming into child's pose. Focusing on the breath, pressing down through the palms. This is a really good time to set your intention for the day of shred ahead. For me, my motto is try something new every day, no matter how small it is. That one thing will keep you coming back time and time again. Downward facing dog. In downward facing dog, really feel free to use any organic movement that feels good. Pressing down through the heels, pedaling out the feet, really feeling the stretch in the back of the calves. Taking a few breaths here in downward facing dog. Maybe coming up onto the toes, pressing down through the heels. Slowly walk your feet in to your hands into ragdoll. Just let go here. Maybe put your hands behind your head. Really breathing. Mountain pose. In mountain pose, coming up onto the toes, engaging the core and the glutes, really awakening the calves, ready for the day's skiing or boarding ahead. Forward fold. Halfway lift. High to low plank. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. In downward facing dog, you want to take your left hand to your right ankle. Really pull and twist. Imagine you're grabbing. 3 breaths here. Swapping sides. Right hand to left ankle, really twist. Feeling the stretch in the calf, the twisting of the internal muscles. Back to downward facing dog. Sitting back onto your toes, walk or step to the front of the mat or jump. Halfway lift, forward fold. Mountain pose. In mountain pose, coming up onto the toes. This is the time to really fire things up, really awakening the glutes. Coming down into chair while staying on your tiptoes. How long can you hold it? Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Forward fold. Jumping back to plank. high to low, upward facing, downward facing dog. Extend your right leg into the air, opening up the hip. Maybe twisting the ankle. 2 circles one way, 2 the other. Bringing your leg back to center and through to crescent lunge. Rising up. Dropping your knee to the mat. 1, 2, 3. From here, you're gonna fly. Oh, engaging the glutes. Up into aeroplane. Bringing your leg back through to the center line. Okay, now we're going to relate it to snowboarding. We're going for a grab. So you're going to take your right hand to the outer of your left foot and you're going to grab, extend and twist. 3, 2, 1. Coming back to the center, your leg's going to be burning, your ankles might be burning. You're going to cross your left foot over your right shin to open up the hips. So you're going to sit down. 3, 2, 1. You can put your hands on the floor if you like and release. Forward fold. Halfway lift. High to low plank. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. 3 breaths. Left leg into the air, opening up the hip, twisting the ankle. 1, 2, the other way. 1, 2, back to center, into crescent lunge, rising up, knee to ground. 1, 2, 3, firing up the glutes. Into aeroplane. 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Left hand, outer side of your right foot. We're going for the snowball grab. Imagine you're twisting, grabbing. 3, 2, 1. Really feeling those intricate muscles in the ankle. Bringing the right foot onto the left knee. We're going to open up the hip flexors, sitting down into those glutes, really feeling that stretch. 3, 2, 1, forward fold. Breathe, halfway lift, rise up, onto the toes. Engaging the glutes, bringing the stomach in, really waking up that core, coming down slowly into a yogi squat. Really feel free to move organically here, moving from side to side, taking a few breaths here to open up the hip flexors. When we snowboard, the hips get so tight. We are obviously going directional. From here, we're going to fire up the core a little bit more. We're going to go into crow pose. So you're going to take your knees and put them on your elbows. This is optional. You can stay in the yogi squat. So from here, elbow, knees to above the elbows, feet up. 3, 2, 1. Jump back into plank. High to low plank, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Right leg extends, right leg to ankle, into pigeon, arms to tree. You're going to fold forward for 3, 2, 1, rise up. 3, 2, 1, rise up. 3, 2, 1, release. Strengthening and activating in the stretch. Finding your way back into downward facing dog. Pedaling out the feet. We're going to swap sides. So left leg extends, left leg to right wrist. Into pigeon. We're going to release. 3, 2, 1. Rise up. 3, 2, 1. Rise up. 3, 2, 1. Release. Taking a couple breaths here, really sinking into the hips. Coming back up into downward facing dog. Really pressing those heels down. And gently coming onto your tiptoes, walking the feet to the hands. Forward fold. Hopefully you are all feeling a little bit warmer. Glutes engaged, core activated, hips open. Ready to shred.